Hi there, before we continue to the next lesson, let's make our landing page proper. We want to remove the overlay behind the login screen. We also want to remove the top navigation bar and the drawer. These should be shown after a person is authenticated. The entry point for our web app is the main module. After app start is ran, the BANano ready event is fired. We then build our app. Once there, the BANano ready event calls the PG index init subroutine. Inside the init routine, the baseline layout is loaded. So we need to access this base layout to toggle the navbar and drawer until authentication. Let's open the layout and find the V-app bar and V-navigation drawer. For each Vuetify app, a main V-app layout is needed. One can then place any other control inside it. To toggle the app bar, let's find the Use Authentication property and turn it on. We also want to use authentication for the drawer. By turning authentication on, the app bar and drawer will not be visible until authentication is true. We leave the other controls like the vMain, vTransition and router view intact. We also want to add a background image to the login screen. Let's open that layout. When we have a background image, there is no need to also have an overlay. Let's hide the login overlay. To add the background image for this page, let's add a container. We want this container to fill the entire screen area. Let's set those properties. We turn fill height on. I also recommend that you turn fit screen VH on too. Let's add the background image by using the Files tab. We clicked Add Files, then from the file selector we will choose our image. The file will be added to the assets list for our project. Let's go and update the login screen container. We find the background image property and give it the name of our background image asset. We save our layout and are ready to run our updated web app. It's a happy moment, as the app bar and the drawer are hidden and we now have a background image. The plan is that as soon as the email address are authenticated, we move to the next stage and show the navbar and drawer where necessary.